Hey guys, you
Please
gotta
stand clear. Doors are closing. Train is about to move.
Are you recording?
Yep.
I'm recording too.
Real funny.
Hi guys, Daku's here.
Yeah, so that.
Daku's leaving.
The next stop is Sharon Road West Station with bus connections
Sharon
to
Road
routes
West.
19, 43, and 55. Please check the bus schedule for available service.
What'd you say we're stopping at again? What's that?
Is there a convention center? 3rd Street and Convention Center?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I think that would be good.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, we got little something. We got several
Skyrocketing. Let's go skyrocketing.
What? So what was Matt?
I said that you were
I don't miss this.
He is too.
Oh, we're going turbo wing. Let's go turbos.
I feel like this is electric.
Yes, the cheap rate.
You're kind of expert. Is this electric?
No, that's just the basic convenience for you. I would say I still got money left.
People take stuff like this when they're going out of town.
I used to live in Boston. I used to take some time out of my car broke down one time when I had to take it like 2 days. I hated it. Because where I went, I had to meet too many credentials. I had to go here, get on a bus, get on another bus, get on another track. Yeah. So you don't be standing over like this movie. You don't be standing over like this movie. Why you saying that? Lord knows I was. Look at him. So I would have said, look at you, my space, let it go.
And we're stopping
Yeah,
at
that
the
place that ain't
Sharon
like
Road
this.
West.
This stop is Sharon Road West Station. Please exit left.
Bingo.
You want to get in, Mr. Ron?
You know what?
Y'all just recording the movie.
How? We're recording the train too.
What you mean when I want to get in? Get in with?
I know y'all want to be featured.
Someone in there will get in.
Yeah.
Please stand clear. Doors are closing. Train is about to move.
Irish. Hey yo, Jerron, where your parent?
What my what?
Where your parent?
My pit is at Smith Road. At Smith High School.
The next stop
In
is
Guilford
Arrowwood
County.
Station with bus connections to routes 24 and 56. Please check the bus schedule for available service.
Oh, God. This is going.
Oh, Lance Trash. I'm not getting y'all. I'm getting. Yes, I'm not. Y'all not at it. What?
This is the one. Oh, we got gates down here.
You're not at it, Eris.
This must be Innovation Park.
What?
This is like obnoxious. Another one. Okay. Okay.
You have to do the whole thing from.
What?
Are you filming? Just do a little bit and then stop.
5 minutes.
If
is this now?
It's easier to split route. That way y'all won't close the road.
This stop is Arrowwood Station. Please exit left.
This is supposed to be when I moved. It was like system, my bad.
Please stand clear. Doors are closing. Train is about to move.
Let's see what's next.
Why you mute? It's not going to
The
get
next
you.
stop is Archdale Station, with a bus connection to Route 57. Please check the bus schedule for available service.
Oh, I see Bojangles.
It's like this is what? That's all. Oh my god, this is like turtle bait. They're like. I feel like it's gonna be like turtles.
They probably will drink your blood again.
You guys getting bored.
I am going usually get.
Not you, Eden. I was talking about Miss McConkie.
And we're stuck at the Archie Bay.
This stop is Archdale Station. Please exit left.
Let's see. This is one of the railroads of. Right there, there's our Greenville Bay. This is St.
What?
St. John.
I know.
This is Dogtown.
Please stand clear. Doors are closing. Train is about to move.
And the bells they have is the St. Trine Type 3 bell. There's a NEG light.
Eden, I'm gonna make part 2. Cause I want to make part 1, part 2.
So the next station.